Alright, so here's the Jeep. Everything looks fine. I checked the oil level. The oil level's good. Just the real one for you. See, it's perfectly fine when you start it. There's no rattling noise or anything. I'll let it warm up so you guys can hear it. And also, when I go through the center control or the menu, this is at 99 psi, and I know it's not supposed to be like that. So, and it has oil, and it only knocks when I step on the gas. It's idling fine right now. Alright, it's warmed up a bit now, so we'll rev it up just a little bit for you guys so you guys can hear it. Also in the front.